Hi, I'm Shayna Taylor, owner of Shayna's Kitchen in Bottle and Stone. We are here at my house starting in a little desert vibe. I love earth elements, and so I'm going to welcome you in my home to show you what that looks like. Come on. All right, so the first thing that I would love to highlight in my house is my baby grand piano. The reason I picked this is because my family grew up around music, and so I wanted to stick to my roots to make sure that I continued playing. This dining room table is one of my favorites. I got to pick the piece of wood, which I feel makes it really special, and of course doing some custom velvet chairs to match the wood itself. Next, we're gonna go into my open floor plan of a living room. I love the living room mostly because this is where I host a lot of my friends and family, and I wanted it to be as comfortable as possible. So I have lots of earth elements in here. I have a bamboo wallpaper, I have lots of crystals, some granite coffee table, and of course my beautiful fireplace, which is a quartzite from Italy. Continuing on the open floor plan, I have my beautiful kitchen where I spend most of my time. If you guys don't know, I am a chef, and so this is where I do a lot of my recipe development. One of the main things was picking stone countertops that were durable. So I picked quartzite, and then I also wanted to change the color of my cabinetry. These are a beautiful kind of greenish blue. It just gives it a little bit of contrast and a little more style to a regular white cabinet kitchen. One of my favorite things and what I do every morning is make a matcha latte. So the first step is you want to take your homemade almond milk, which I make myself. We're going to put about a half a teaspoon into this little bowl. So now that the milk is nice and frothed and hot, we are going to add it into the cup. Now that I got my matcha latte, I'm going to show you the backyard. So the backyard I wanted to create as a very hangout spot. And I want to highlight first my little dining area over here. I have a fire pit for when it's cold in winter, but of course I live in California, so almost all year round this can be used outside. Next I want to show you another little hangout spot. This is more obviously couch, hang. I have my beautiful garden behind there. I like to grow a lot of my own vegetables. And then this is a new add to my house. This is my outdoor kitchen. So this is the space I love to just create outside, host people. We're just a bit spoiled to have outdoor spaces like this. My favorite room of the house is my bedroom. The biggest reason being is I love to create a sanctuary where I feel like I can actually rest and sleep. So everything here is very calm and soothing, including, of course, the picture that I decided to put above my bed. It's just a print of the ocean. Everything is soothing about that. All the natural colors, the wallpaper kind of ties it all in together and makes it like a cozy little nook. And I have a braided wool rug, and of course my favorite piece, which is this beautiful teak wood console. It took me quite some time to find one that would actually fit perfectly in the space, but I really feel that it just brings in again those earth elements that just really make a home a home. Thank you so much for coming to tour my beautiful home. I hope that I have inspired you as much as I can, maybe to add in a little more earth elements, but thank you again, and I'll see you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?